we still have quite a bit of tidying up with the files. So if we start right from the bottom, pages remove confirm and pages remove, we need to modify all of our links. So obviously delete go to all these header functions we can replace simply with our redirect function. So let's remove this code and type redirect, and this time we are going to be redirecting them to p equals pages list, but obviously we also need to include our MOD. So MOD equals 1 and ampersand. Okay, all the rest can stay as it is, so we can close our remove. Now obviously here links as well will be question mark MOD equals 1 ampersand pages remove the extension, and this question mark obviously has to be replaced now with the ampersand as well. ID equals PID. That's all fine. Now the same thing, MOD equals 1 ampersand P equals, sorry, I've forgotten P actually here. That's not the first time actually it happened to me. So after ampersand, remember always we have to have parameter and then value assigned to it. So P equals pages list without the extension. That's all done. Now if we go to pages list, if we scroll down, first of all, get pages list. We don't really need this action, so we can remove it completely from here, from the form. Okay, value src. Okay, pages remove. So again, MOD equals 1 ampersand P equals pages remove confirm without the extension and without this question mark, because this question mark is now ampersand. Okay, same here. Question mark MOD equals 1 amp P equals pages edit. So I've got removing and editing pages. So now pages edited. Question mark MOD equals 1 amp P equals pages list without the extension. That's all fine. Okay. Now pages edit. We can remove this edit form action, which you don't really need that much here, and then obviously remove this variable from the action of the form. Okay, we've got again header location, which will be pages edited. Let's simply replace this with redirect MOD equals 1 and P equals pages edited. Okay, everything else stays as it is, so fine. If we look down here, there's no links, there aren't any links here. Okay, we can save the page and close it, then pages added. Now pages list, so it's going to be MOD equals 1 amp P equals pages list, pages add. Again, let's replace this form action. Let's remove this form action and also remove this variable from the action of the form. And the same thing with the header. We're going to be using redirect P equal MOD equals this time 2 because we are inside of add page, and P equals pages added. Okay. Now nav order. Nav order again, we're removing this chunk of code, and it's going to be nav order, so we don't really need to actually let's redirect to the same page to lose this post on the way. So redirect p equals nav order. So this time, if you're redirecting to the same page, obviously when you refresh page after everything, it's not going to ask you to resend the information because a redirect has occurred here. And again, we're removing the variable from the action. That's all fine. There aren't any links. Okay, our logout is done. Login page, I think we've got everything sorted out here. Yeah, redirect. It's all good. Login failed. JavaScript's here, so that's fine. Index, we've just got a little bit of code. Error, hasn't got any links. Email password. Form action can be removed. Redirection to email password edited, so redirect mode equals, don't remember what mode it was, email password. Okay, let's log in. Email password is mode 4 and p equals email password edited. That's all fine. Again, remove the variable from the action. And that seems finished. Edited. Okay, there's no links, so we all should be ready to go. Now if we test it, list of pages, edit, oops. So if we go back to the code, let's check what's happened here. If total rows are as duplicate, is minus else, display statement. Okay, after redirect, we should have a closing curly bracket. If we refresh now, does work. Okay, update record. It redirects to the page edited, pages edited. As you can see, the button is still active. If we go to create new page, test page, let's copy this. Okay, identity. Top, insert record, still it's active. I've got our test page here. Okay, we can remove it. Yeah, that's all good. Navigation is fine. Email and password have been successfully updated. That's great. Now, one thing, however, obviously, because we're updating password here, and I'm pretty sure that the password has been entered as a text. So I have to go back to our email and password, pages, email password, and make sure that our new password is actually encrypted using SHA. So it's come to SHA1 function to make sure that it uses the hash to encrypt it. So if we update again, that should work now. If we log out, log in, it works. Okay, let's move to the next chapter when we start adding our content manager, our gallery to the content management system.